today we are doing a Cades Reef tour. It leaves from St. John's. We take you over to Cades Reef. It takes approximately an hour and 20 minutes. Once we get there, we do a bit of snorkeling. You're briefed before you head into the water. We do offer gears as well. After 45 minutes of snorkeling, we get you back on board, get you nice and cozy for a bit of lunch. We transform the vessel into a restaurant, so we have a nice little ambience as we sail across to a beach where you have a little beach relaxation, and then from there we just have some drinks and head back to St. John's. In between all of that, we're passing various points of interest. You get to see a few forts, you get to see a few historical sites, a lovely scenery with the beaches as we make our way along the coast, and it's just all fun. Yeah, definitely something you should try out. Come and check us out.
Mystic Cruise!